I didn't see you there. Hello. Welcome to Know Your Workplace Cancer Risk with Royce Summers. I'm your host, Royce Summers. How are you today? That's wonderful. Know Your Workplace Cancer Risk with Royce Summers, of course, is the weekly call-in, write-in, text-in show in which we answer your workplace carcinogen risk questions and help you rekindle your workplace safety romance. What do you say we get started with the show? And today's topic is asbestos. And it looks like the lines are already lighting up. Good evening, caller. You're on the air.
Yeah, hi Royce. Warwick here. Enjoying the show tonight. I just wanted to ask you a quick question. First of all, what is asbestos? Okay, I'll leave it with you. Bye then.
Thanks, Warwick. Glad you like the show. Well, asbestos is a group of naturally occurring fibrous minerals, and inhalation of loose airborne asbestos fibres, which are 50 to 200 times thinner than a human hair, can cause serious long-term health problems, including asbestosis, cancer of the lung, ovary and larynx, and mesothelioma. That's cancer of the lung lining. Thank you, Warwick, for the call. Hello, caller.
Hi, Royce. This is Stacey. I'm a machine operator mechanic at Carnanelli. I just wanted to know how asbestos fibres are, released out into the air. Yeah, okay. Thanks for that.
It's a pleasure to hear from you, Stacey. Well, asbestos fibres can be released into the air when asbestos-containing materials deteriorate, are drilled into, cut, sanded, worked on with power tools, broken up, damaged, or disturbed. Asbestos can be found in flat, corrugated or coated sheeting, lino floor tiles, internal wall wet area sheets, fencing and roofing sheeting, paint, textiles, meter boxes, lagging on water units and gas heaters, gaskets and friction parts. It can also be found naturally in soil and rock. Although banned in 2003, many asbestos-containing materials still remain today, with tradespeople and home renovators still at risk to harmful exposure. Thank you, Stacey. A question from the online internet. It's from Dazza. Dazza writes, I found some asbestos just lying about, all open like on the floor. What do I do? Oh, and a big shout out to all the boys at McInerney's Building Supplies. Love, Dazza. Well, Dazza, the best thing to do is to stop work immediately. Move everyone away from the area and do not remove equipment or materials. Close, seal and lock off areas. Put up warning signs and report the discovery to your employer. When in doubt, it's always best to consult your workplace asbestos management plan for advice. Best of luck to you and all the boys at McInerney's Building Supplies. Now it's time for us to reflect on what we've learned here this evening. Close your eyes and relax. That's it. You're now drifting in a warm, inky sea of reflection. That feeling around you, that's your heightened state of workplace carcinogens awareness. Give into it. Asbestos still exists in the workplace. You have the power to identify it. You have the confidence to make informed decisions on what to do next. You can do something about it. Now, you're slowly beginning to surface. Open your eyes. There's no rush. Take your time. That's it. There you go. Feeling better? I know I am. If you would like to know more about workplace cancers or feel you have been exposed to a cancer-causing agent, contact Workplace Management, your health and safety representative, state and territory work health and safety regulators, Safe Work Australia, or your doctor. Or simply contact Cancer Council and download your own No Workplace Cancer Asbestos fact sheet. That's all the time we have for this week on Know Your Workplace Cancer Risk with Royce Summers. I've been your host, Royce Summers. I look forward to joining you again next week and helping you overcome your workplace carcinogen risks. Thank you, and good night, everybody.